Different ones. Different ones. Okay, so we are going to show how we can be able to collaborate with our file. So to collaborate is very, very, very simple. Okay, but before we do that, let's make sure that our files are not the same name. So go to your file here. Okay, your file here. Go there where it says P3. Just immediately before the tree, put your initial. Like I will put my initial as LF. So I'll type LF, then I say P3 onwards. Then you can say KB for Kausubaji before your P3. Okay, each and every one. So in my own case, after LF, I'll put an emoji there. So my favorite emoji here will be a star. So you can put an emoji immediately after your name just to easily recognize it. So put your favorite emoji there. I don't know your favorite emoji, but put your favorite emoji. So we know to get access to emoji, we press what? What do we press? Emoji. Emoji? Windows and full stop. Excellent. So we put Windows and full stop to access our emojis. So my emoji, the emoji that I'm going to put here will be a star. Okay, so this kind of star is what I'm going to, glowing star. So I got my emoji there, fine, beautiful. So this is my file so that I can distinguish it. So put your favorite emoji there after your name. Okay, so now our files are distinct, even though they are completely, even without the names. Like I said, no single file has got the same URL address with anyone. The web addresses will always be different. Okay, so now I'm going to share my file with about 3 of you, because if I want to do for all, it's going to take some time. 3, 4. Okay, so to do that, you can do it from 2 places. You have them on here on file menu. So if you click on file menu, okay, you click on file menu, there is a sub menu called share. Okay, so this share is also what? 2 folds. You can share with others. Okay, so if I click on share with others, then I'm going to be able to share this with other people in 2 ways. Either by entering their email addresses here, or I can give general access to the rest of the people. For example, people who don't have Gmail addresses. So I can give them general access. So at the moment, by default, the general access is what? Is restricted. So to unrestricted, I come here and I choose what? Anyone with the link. Okay, anyone with the link can do what? They can do 3 things. Either they can be a viewer so that they can only be able to view, or they can be able to comment, or they can be able to edit. Okay, so at the moment, I will leave it as it is. Okay, and I'll just say okay. Then just to give you more benefits of this, how to call it, the publishing here, sorry, where am I? The sharing here, like I said, is 2 folds. So we've just gone through how you can be able to share with others, but you can also publish your work. See how powerful Google Sheet is? You can publish it on the web. Okay, you can publish it in such a way that you can be able to attach this to an Excel file so that your data will be kept online on your drive, but then you can be able to do your analysis on your Excel worksheet. The reason is Excel has got a better tool when it comes to analysis. Better pivot table, better Power Query, better Power Pivot, better Power BI, and so on and so forth. So Excel is really, really good at analysis. So that's why you have the option to publish your file, so that if you publish it, you can either publish an entire document or part of the worksheets of a document. And you can publish it as a web page, or you can publish it in an Excel form, which is the CSV, the comma separated, or you can publish it in different ways. Yeah. So can you see how powerful this is? So, but for now, we are not interested in publishing. So I'm just trying to show you how you can be able to publish. So now we are interested in only sharing. So like I said, you can do it from here, but then because this is very, 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 very important, the collaboration aspect, this is the reason why this is online, it's available, so that if we want to work with anyone, anywhere they are, we can easily all log into the same file and work accordingly. Because of that prominence, they have made a special button for it here on top called what? Share. Okay, so we click on that share. So you can do it at the same time. Click on the share, please, everybody, so that you can share with. So please click on share. Okay, so some of you, when you are sharing, you can share with me on this email. That's lanfo459@gmail. Okay, so you can type that together with 2 or 3 people. Okay, so I'm going to share with 3 people so that I give them different rights. So what have you all clicked on share? Okay, so after clicking on share, now you have to add people. How do you add them? You add them using their Gmail accounts. So here, Gmail is what is going to work. Because what? It's a Google platform. So when you want general access, then you can provide the link and so on. Then the rest of the people who don't even have email can be able to access, because in that case, it will sit on the website. Okay, so can I have, also you give me your email? KAWSU 1974 at gmail.com. Okay, so that's there. So I've got 1. Can I have another 2? Can you give me your Gmail, please? So add for you, pick from you, pick any 3, each of you, any 3, so that we do it simultaneously. Can I have someone else? MAM. I have your dad's own here. Mambure, BURAY. MUS. Okay, MAMBURAY, Mustafa 89 at gmail.com. Okay, can I have 1? SFATOU 879. I think it's here. SFAT, right? That's the one. Excellent.
Can we change it to viewer?
Huh?
Can we change it drop down to viewer for?
No, add all of them and then after you can change. Just add, like I've done.
Yes.
Add 3, please. Make sure you add 3.
Yes.
Include me in there.
Yeah.
So
leave it as editor.
yeah, just wait, just add step by step. Don't worry.
Okay.
So my email for those who want to add me in is going to be LANFO459 at gmail.com. So you can use this email, LANFO459 at gmail.com. No, N for November. Okay, so by default, you can make everybody editor for now. Okay, and then we'll see how it works. So we are doing it together. I am doing it with you, and you are doing it with 3 others. Each and every one of you do it with 3 others. Okay, so now, if you want, it's optional. If you want, you can type a message. So it will be good, best practice to type in a message, at least to inform the people that you are collaborating with about the file you are sharing. Okay? Are we together? Okay. So after typing your message, then you click on what? Send. You click on send. So click on send, everybody, to the 3 people you have sent to.